Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Sony's rumored upcoming cinema camera, the Sony FX3 II. Building upon the foundation of its predecessor, the FX3, this new iteration is anticipated to bring a host of advanced features that could redefine professional filmmaking. Let's explore these potential enhancements in detail. Global shutter. A leap forward in image capture. One of the most talked about features is the possible inclusion of a global shutter. Traditional cameras often use rolling shutters, which can introduce distortions like skewing or wobbling when capturing fast-moving subjects or during quick pans. A global shutter addresses this by capturing the entire image simultaneously, ensuring pristine motion clarity. This advancement would be particularly beneficial for action sequences and high-speed cinematography, placing the FX3 II on par with higher-end cinema cameras. Enhanced sensor resolution. Balancing detail and performance. The original FX3 featured a 12.1 MP back-illuminated XMR CMOS sensor. Rumors suggest that Sony might upgrade to a new 15 MP or 16 MP sensor for the Mark II. More megapixels would allow for greater flexibility in post-production cropping and visual effects work. 8K video recording. Meeting modern resolution demands. While the FX3 can record 4K video up to 120 frames per second, one major omission is 8K recording. The FX3 II will likely add 8K capture to match Sony's recent mirrorless cameras like the A7S III and A1. 8K future-proofs the camera for the era of 8K televisions and projectors. Even if delivering in 4K, having the extra resolution allows zooming in post for reframing shots. Higher frame rates in 4K. Elevating slow-motion cinematography. In addition to boosting the resolution to 8K, expect higher frame rates in 4K and 1080p recording. The original FX3 tops out at 120 frames per second in 4K and 240 frames per second in 1080p. Rumors point to the Mark II reaching at least 240 frames per second in 4K. High frame rate recording creates smooth slow-motion footage. More frame rate options in 4K give creators flexibility when shooting and editing. Advanced autofocus. Leveraging artificial intelligence. Sony's autofocus system is already top-notch, but the FX3 II may take it even further. The latest autofocus driven by artificial intelligence found in the A7 IV and other models could make its way to the Mark II. Sony will also likely expand autofocus modes for video capture. IAF for humans and animals while shooting video should be better than ever. Active cooling. Ensuring extended recording sessions. The FX3 has venting for passive airflow to prevent overheating, but the Mark II may add active cooling via small built-in fan. This would enable extended recording sessions, especially in hot conditions or when using power-hungry modes like 8K. Proper cooling lets the camera keep rolling without pause. Larger battery. Prolonging shooting durations. Battery life could see a nice bump with the FX3 II. Sony has developed higher capacity batteries since the FX3 launched, so expect a larger battery in the Mark II. This would improve recording times when away from AC power. Longer shoots without swapping batteries will appeal to solo content creators. Improved menus and displays. Enhancing user experience. While not the flashiest upgrades, tweaks to the user interface would enhance the shooting experience. Menus could be redesigned for better organization and visual clarity. An upgraded EVF and rear LCD would make composing and reviewing shots easier. Simple quality-of-life improvements go a long way. Enhanced connectivity. Streamlining workflows. With the rise of remote collaboration and cloud-based workflows, the FX3 Mark II should feature advanced connectivity options. Wi-Fi 6E or even 5G support for faster data transfers, along with seamless integration with cloud storage and editing software, would streamline post-production processes. Incorporating AI-driven autofocus and subject tracking technologies would provide unmatched accuracy and speed for nailing wide-ranging scenes. Enhanced audio capabilities. Prioritizing sound quality. Audio recording is just as important as image quality in filmmaking. The FX3 Mark II could set a new standard by integrating higher quality microphones and preamps, as well as offering more well-rounded audio control directly from the camera interface. Support for various audio formats and the ability to record multiple audio tracks simultaneously would cater to the needs of professional sound designers and mixers. Improved rolling shutter. Reducing artifacts. One shortcoming of the original FX3 is the rolling shutter artifact, which can distort footage during fast camera movements or pans. Sony may add a faster readout sensor and processor to mitigate the rolling shutter in the Mark II model. Cleaner footage without skewing or jello effects will be a welcome upgrade. Enhanced weather sealing. Expanding shooting environments. Ruggedness and weather sealing are essential for cameras used in film and TV productions. Building on the FX3's hardy body, expect enhanced moisture and dust sealing in the Mark II. Improved protection from the elements lets shooters venture to far-flung locales without worry. More recording options. Catering to diverse needs. The FX3 already offers the key codecs like 10-bit 4:2:2 ZAVC HS. But the Mark II could see tweaks like 16-bit RAW output over SDI for higher color fidelity in post. More recording formats, resolutions, and frame rates build the ultimate video creation tool. Potential price point. Balancing features and affordability. Of course, all these upgrades will come at a cost. The original FX3 launched for around $3,800. Reports predict the Mark II will debut somewhere between $4,000 and $4,500. That's still very reasonable for a cinema camera with these capabilities. Early adopters will be getting cutting-edge tech at a relative bargain. Conclusion. Anticipating a cinematic revolution. The rumored features of the Sony FX3 II suggest a camera that could significantly impact the professional filmmaking landscape. From the potential inclusion of a global shutter to enhanced resolution and advanced autofocus capabilities, the FX3 II is shaping up to be a versatile and powerful tool for filmmakers. As we await official confirmation from Sony, the anticipation continues to build for what could be a groundbreaking addition to the world of cinema cameras.